Meaning of inopportune.
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 Inopportune. The term inopportune refers to something that happens at an inconvenient time or is poorly timed, which may result in negative consequences. For instance, a job offer may arrive at an inopportune time, say during exams, leading to difficulty in making a decision. Similarly, a phone call from an unpleasant acquaintance may come at an inopportune moment, say when in the middle of a critical meeting. Such untimely events can cause stress and anxiety, disrupt plans, or lead to missed opportunities. Therefore, it is crucial to be mindful of timing when carrying out activities and communicating with others.